Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add a new crypto coin or token to Samsung blockchain wallet on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. Then in here, open up the blockchain wallet. Next, to add in a new coin or token, you can scroll down the list here and see if there is only one available. If there isn't one available, you can tap on the custom button. In here, you can enter in the token contract address, token name, token symbol. The easiest way to do it is to go and grab the address. So I'm here, I've got the Etherscan, and I'm can go in and look for a token that I want to add. So here I've got the Multiverse AI token. And from here, what you want to do is go to the top and copy the contract address. Now go back to my network. Go back to my blockchain app. And then I'm going to simply paste it in. And then you can see the name will automatically reveal in the token name, token symbol, and decimals. Then tap on the add button. So it says adding multiverse. Now say you need an Ethereum account for token transactions. So tap on create the account if you haven't got one. You already have an account for this coin with no transaction history. You can create a new account after you have used your existing account at least once. Alright, so just tap on the add button and create an Ethereum account, a valid account to use. After that, you can you should be able to add it to your wallet. So you can see here we've got the Multiverse AI account. It doesn't have anything in here at the moment. If you wanted to, you can also tap on the option button and then delete, and then we can delete it. And then we can go in and to settings and then just tap on refresh wallet for it to sync the data to the network. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.